To install AVCS Update Media, launch Chart Assistant. On the Format drop-down menu, select S57/SENC. Insert the AVCS Update CD into the CD drive and then select Update. Now select CD or D drive, and then select Show S57/SENC disk content. This will populate the external storage panel of Chart Assistant on the right-hand side of the screen. Select Update. Select CD or D drive. Install S57/SENC charts and Install S57/SENC updates will automatically be populated. Select OK. If a cell cancellation update message is displayed, you will be asked to confirm that you wish to apply the update. Select Yes for all. This will apply all cancellation updates for the week of the AVCS Update CD. On completion, the Chart Assistant Last Operation log will be displayed.